Melon. Kitty, 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 kitty. Det er en kat, som Sue hun fandt, så nu har vi fået en ny kat.
Booger! You ready to play? Going to Denmark.
That's everybody in Denmark's gonna know you said that.
You're on TV right now. Look at the phone you said.
Smile, honey.
I like to spray it in you.
There's Rob's spike haircut.
You want to me?
Delicious.
Shall we go see if you're ready to play?
Sheesh.
There's a good
I'm
rain
ready.
out there.
Wasn't it raining?
I'm ready.
Vi kan få et nyt.
Not that pull out.
That's rain coming in.
Oh, it
now,
all
though.
broke apart.
That's rain coming in though. It got kind of dark. Look up there. Right up there, there's rain, a whole bunch coming in.
Found me.
Get
Bye, Mills.
On the flagpole.
See you later.
This way across the lake.
Don't do that to my tape.
Sorry. Turn the sound up.
No, don't do that because then it
If
beeps.
it doesn't rain within 5
Bolly
minutes,
jeans.
it's not gonna rain.
What does that mean? I jump up right in the field.
Well, I guess the storm is gone, huh?
See that wave hit up on top? I can see it in the video.
Yeah, right
Yeah.
out there.
Yes.
See it coming?
Yes. We will just live up.
What?
So you can see the video.
So I can see the storm. No. Well, that's even better. Stop.
Oh, there's a little Humpty Dumpty. She's a little Humpty Dumpty, ain't she?
Rune han har 2 dage tilbage i USA. Så han er afsted.
I kind of stopped them in their tracks, didn't
They
I?
slowed
Yeah, he's
down.
slowing down. Stop it.
Huh?
What are they doing, Bunny?
Oh,
Poor Judge, she's upstairs. I
Well,
gotta
that
go.
looks cold.
I gotta get her. Oh, I gotta
Did it
get
come
her.
on tape?
I think so.
See the water go, see the rain coming through it.
It's almost in. See? It's coming in over here.
It's still a
Standing there
half
with
mile
right
away.
Oh, that's a half a mile?
I'll bet you, not a whole mile.
Maybe
Up
3/8
to
of a
Judge
mile.
is kind of distance when you're looking out over the horizon.
That's
It's
really
15
coming.
16ths of a mile.
You bet about it though.
7
See, over here it's closer.
I'll bet.
It's, how fast is it moving, Ray?
Oh, about 30 knots.
Sure, it's not 30. Square knots
It's
or
getting
overhand
closer
knots?
this way.
I see the green.
Yeah, you see the rain
Way
coming.
in the back.
Yeah, it's
Right,
coming.
it's
Okay, it'll be here shortly. Those people better get the heck out of there.
It's gonna douse them down.
Maybe they'll get flattened against the windows here.
Hey, it doesn't look like it's coming in over there, just here.
No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. No, it
They're gonna get it on tape when the house get hit.
It's gonna
Quarter
miss the
mile.
volleyball court.
doesn't. Like way in the back.
Oh yeah, there the rain is coming.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, well, you know, we watch the snow
Uh-huh.
come in this way.
Maybe.
Glad we watch the snow come in this way too.
All right.
That's fun in the winter.
Yeah, I bet.
What?
Snow.
I'm gonna look at the dice. What's
See,
this
it's
gray spot on
flattening
the TV?
water out or something.
These guys are gonna get drenched.
I'm going.
Yeah, it's not as rough.
It's the wave.
There you go.
Catch the wave.
Start hitting the window, though, doesn't it?
away. See ya.
There it is. There it is.
Here, look at him
Look
run.
at him run, look at him run.
Gator's not gonna go very far either, I don't think.
Ooh, look at the water, oh, the rain.
Is it raining?
Fun. Look
Oh,
out
yeah,
that way.
there it is.
Look at your kids out there getting drowned.
Oh, it's hail, it's hail.
Hailing.
That's gonna be a good volleyball game coming up, huh?
Put the wipers on.
Robbie said, ow, ow, it hurts,
Let it
yeah.
in.
On the window wiper.
Well, I guess we'll get our ice skates out, huh?
Yeah, here.
Ow. That hurts.
We can play volleyball with Mark House.
warm. Come here, Dad.
Let's get some lightning. Well, that was quick.
Good, stop it. Only cut some nail.
And you're gonna get soaked.
You better stay in here,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
guys.
yeah, that'll hurt you.
You, stick around.
I
Shut
know.
the door.
I'm gonna be on the front. Right here.
Good.
I want to get a piece of hail. Me too.
You going to freeze?
I got a hood. I got a jacket.
Stay right in here.
Just stay in the house for a few
I
minutes.
just want to go grab a piece of hail. I want to see what it feels
Doesn't
like.
last.
It feels like ice and when it melts right away.
Oh, good.
It's on the sidewalk right there yet, but
Look out now. Hang in there.
oh, be darn, that was right at the court, didn't it?
Certainly did. Did a nice job, right?
Så Dodgers okay lige lytte med korten her.
You don't like that storm.
I got
Ja,
that.
godt.
You don't even care.
Oh, look at it. Holy crap. That's not a marble.
Thought you had to run down the street.
Så gik det her stykke. Det er noget, de har taget på kameraet, så starter det igen.
I got it stirring up.
Yeah, it'll get warm now.
Why didn't you take a picture of it?
Because
Now, when I wouldn't go in that bag right now, you're going to step on it.
Oh, stop failing.
Let's get some lightning.
There's still another little patch up there to go in.
It's light though.
You're not talking, Mass. You're just checking out.
I can't see it.
You can't see it?
No.
Something wrong with your eyes? Sweep the kitchen floor. Did you? Yes, I am.
Huh? I didn't.
What?
Talking to my camera.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you said something to me.
No.
I'll go home and get the dishes ready.
Så er der 2 dage tilbage i USA.
All right, thank you,
Så
Jack.
jeg holder en fest i dag for mig. Sæt nogle plancher op her. Med billeder for et over. Og det er fejl i grammatikken her.
But
Hello.
Chacha got a, I was gonna open
on
this
video.
door.
Yeah, you'll be on the video.
Der er en gæst, der er kommet. Gotcha shit.
I know you did, Mass, I know.
What's
Did you
bow
get,
bow?
did you get all that?
Yeah.
That's bow wow
Bow wow
in
in
Danish,
Danish.
don't you know?
It's what in Danish?
Bow wow.
Oh.
Don't forget you have to give Edmund his thing tonight, Mass.
Yep.
What thing?
His raccoon.
Oh, yeah, my gosh. I should have wrapped that up.
Well, you can't, it's too
You can't
delicate.
wrap it
You can't
up.
wrap it, sure, it's too delicate.